In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo to Wix website, step by step. We'll work inside Wix Studio, so make sure you're logged in and your site editor is open. Before we start, have your logo saved in your Wix Media Library and ready to use. A transparent PNG or an SVG works great for crisp results. First, go to Wix Studio for the site you want to update. Once the editor loads, look at your page canvas and move to the area where you want the logo to live, typically the header. Click the highlighted region so the editor knows where you intend to place the image. Next, open the Quick Add panel. This is your shortcut to common elements without digging through menus. From there, choose Image. Wix will drop an image element onto the canvas, which you can position in your header later. Confirm you're editing the desktop view by clicking Desktop at the top of the editor. This ensures your changes apply to the desktop breakpoint first, keeping your layout consistent. With the image element selected, click Change Image. This opens the media browser, where all of your site's assets live. Use the search bar and type the name or keyword for your logo to locate it quickly. Keeping files clearly named, like brandlogo.svg, makes this step much faster. When you see your logo in the results, click it to select it. Then click Update to apply the logo to the image element on your page. You should now see your logo appear on the canvas. Take a moment to visually confirm it looks sharp on your background and that it aligns with nearby elements. Clean, high-contrast placement helps with readability and brand recognition. When you're happy with what you see, it's time to make it live. Click Publish. Wix will save and deploy your changes to the live site. To double-check everything, click View Site. This opens the public version so you can verify your logo displays correctly outside the editor. That's it. You've added a logo to your Wix website in a clean, reliable way using Quick Add and the media browser. If you plan to adjust size, spacing, or add alternative text for accessibility, you can fine-tune those in the editor after this process. Thanks for watching, and happy building! Remember, keeping your header global across pages maintains consistent branding, and using an SVG helps your logo stay sharp on high-resolution